Hi everyone! So I have the February box of Your Creative Studio. They were so sweet. They asked me if I would do another unboxing for them, and I love their kits so much. I'll show you. I have one on my desk right here. I did this little like folio with one of their other kits. So they're really cute, especially if you're into junk journals or vintage crafting. These are the perfect subscription boxes. Now you can sign up for their subscription or you can buy each individual. So this is the February box, I'm told. So let's open it on up. It always comes with this nice little box. They always send you a little thank you card that coordinates with the kit inside. So I see a little birdie here. I'm seeing a lot of blues, which I like. So that's going to be really nice. And then they always package it. And you guys have seen me use this on my channel before. I save the packaging every single month so I can go ahead and use it. So let's just take everything out of the box. I think I have one right here that I've done. Yeah, here's a little piece. So these stickers came in one of their kits and I used the packaging. So that way I made like a little page for a junk journal. So that's an idea there. You know, just save everything. Packaging is definitely very user-friendly for junk journals. So let's see what we have in this month. So they always send a variety of items, but every single kit I've received, there's always been a stamp in there. And those usually come in these little bags, which again, save these because I've used these to put together to do a little flip. But I think I gave that one away, so I don't have that one to show you guys. So here it says it's a cling stamp, and then it shows you what exactly is in there. So we have 3 stamps in this one. So there's that floral that was on the top. Then there's another tiny little floral right there. And then here is another one. So you get 3 in that first little bag. This one is another stamp. Again, there is your little photo right there of what's inside. And so this has one. That's what it looks like. This reminds me kind of like of a mirror. That would be really cute to stamp this out and then put a photo in the center. I think that would be really cute because that's exactly what that reminds me of, a little mirror. That's really pretty. You could also do it this way and then like label it. Like if you wanted to stamp this out on your scrapbook page, and then you could put like, you know, San Diego, you know, May 13th, 2023, you know, and just write like what you were doing. That would be really cute too. I really want to get into that one, but I'm going to keep going. We got washi right here. So actually what I did with these little folders was I had put them into like their own little flip, and I used the washi to hold them together. So I can show you guys that really quick. So there's the washi. Ooh, this is pretty. It's floral and blue flowers. Love me some blue flowers. So I'm gonna show you real quickly what I did with the other one was, you know, I kind of like lined them up like this. And then I took the washi that came with it. I did add extra glue. So I put, you know, like a bead of glue here just to reinforce it. But I'm going to be really quick and just show you guys. So I lined it up on the bottom and on the side. Added that extra glue just to hold it better. Lined that up. Flipped it over. Just make sure it's all nice and lined up. And then pulled that washi over. So now you have like a little flip right here, and then on the inside, again, you're going to put bead of glue on the inside just to help reinforce your washi. And then just go ahead and put this down on the inside. So that way I'll hold it together. And then now you have somewhere to put, you know, your ephemera, die cuts, or, you know, whatever you want to send out. And then there's this one here. And then you could do the same thing with this one. Is just go ahead and line it up. Put some extra glue there to reinforce that. Again, line this up better so it's even. Mine is not even. And then again, do the same thing on the inside. Go ahead and throw some more washi in here just to help reinforce everything with that And then there you go. So you have a flip this way, and then it flips open this way, and you can always stamp on here, add decorations. But now you have like a little envelope flip with their packaging. Like I said, I love their packaging so much. Okay, I've been dying to look at this one. So this has 40 pieces of flowers. They're all in purple. They're all a see-through. I'll just take a couple out here. Yeah, look at how gorgeous those are. Those are so pretty. These are perfect. You could even go ahead and add like one of these, you know, and just start building like a little like flower bouquet in the back over here with these. See, something like that, and just build up some decoration. That would be really, really cute. So love, love those. I love that they're in purple. I wish they were kind of in blue to match the washi, but still love it nonetheless. This is, I think it's 15 pieces. So it just looks like some more stickers that match. Yeah, so there's a couple stickers which match that collection right there. So I'm just going to put those together. Then you'd have like a couple little stamps, a couple little ephemera pieces, like a little ticket, a map, then like a little handwritten letter. These are all just ephemera pieces. I don't think any of these are stickers. I love the little like tickets to go somewhere. Those are really pretty. And let's see, we have our next kit here. I don't know, maybe 30 pieces in there. And this one has like little labels to it. Save this twine. You could definitely use that for something else. So this one has more little ephemera. So this looks like statements and like little receipts. Then you have some like journaling spots. And then you have some larger papers. Oh, this is a pocket. Oh yeah, save this for sure and throw that onto a page in your junk journal. So you have already a little pocket built in. You just need to throw some glue back there. And oh, this, whatever is in the back right here is textured. Oh, these are nice. That looks kind of like handmade paper. And then this one has like a little basket kind of a pattern to it. Oh, wallpaper. That's what that feels like a wallpaper. And this one too feels like a handmade paper. And then here's just what the other ones look like. So that you just have different pattern papers. See, I'm telling you, if you are into vintage and junk journals, like these are going to be the most perfect kit for you to go ahead and just do your thing with, because they're just so pretty. Oh my gosh, is that a real pressed flower? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Let's open this up. It is a real pressed flower in there. How stinking cute is that? I love that. So past memories. Oh, cute. So you could get like your hole punch and then like punch out like, you know, a little date. That would be really cute. So there's a couple little dates there. Some little ephemera pieces. Another little calendar there. Some more little ephemera. Oh, look, this reminds me of like Easter. Ooh, that might actually work in my Alice in Wonderland junk journal too. Ooh, vellum sticker. Oh, all of these are vellum stickers right here. So all of these little pieces are vellum stickers. That's really cool. I love that. The little pressed flower and ephemera and then little vellum stickers. I love that little kit right there. This one is, ooh, little bills. So this looks like a paper pad of like statements. Files. Oh yeah, look. Oh, that's really cool. Oh wow, some of them are written on. Oh, drugstore receipt, bank receipts, ice cream receipt. Oh, this is super cool. Super like vintage. Oh, this is fun. I love that some of it is written on and some of them are blank. That's very cool. I love that. I've never seen that before. And let's see, we have another one. It looks like 30 pieces in this kit. Oh, this one actually shows you on the back what is included. So look, I want to show you, this is part of the packaging. definitely save this. You can reuse this. If you have like some Sharpies, you can even like color these in to add a little bit of color. Like I definitely would add some color to the butterfly just to make it pop some more. So you just have some little vintage pieces in here. I think there's, yeah, 2 of each style. Oh, that says a postcard on there. Loving all the mushrooms. Little dragonfly. What are those? Sheep? Oh yeah, these are cute. Oh look, this one's written on already. Like a little post-it note. That is super cute. And there's still more, you guys. Let's see. This is tissue paper right here. Oh, actually, no. It says masking tape. I think it's tissue paper, though, because it feels really, really thin. Yeah, that's thin like tissue paper. So you could glue that down to a page. Then we have some stickers right here. They're vellum stickers. And let's see, we have birdie and floral over here. This one shows the back. Again, save this back packaging one. I'll show you right now. Because look at how pretty that is. That's just pretty by itself. It has the little florals and the birdies printed in there. So this one you get, let's see, the 2 little like lovebirds. I think this one is sticker paper. Yep, that is a sticker paper. And then we have the little chair print. This one kind of looks like wallpaper. This kind of reminds me like of an ocean. Oh, look, we have like a little like honeycomb background with some flowers. Got another little birdie. And then the patterns repeat. So this is like copy paper. And then we have, what is this? This is just like regular paper, but it's thicker. And then you have the same patterns in vellum. So that's really nice that you get a whole variety of different styles for your paper. And then our last little item here is rub-ons. Now, I was just playing with the ones that I got from fall. Let me show you what I did with that. I think I left it inside. Let me go grab that. You know what? I decided about going and getting the one that I already did. And I'll just show you guys really quickly because it doesn't take me much time at all. Save this packaging. You can use it. Here are your rub-ons. So you get 3 sheets. It does come with this little spatula to help you rub them. So what I did the other day with the fall was I have my cream cotton right here. It's just some fabric that I had bought from Joann's the last time. I'm going to take this blue flower. Let's see. I'll take this bigger one. So I'll take this flower right here. I'm going to cut it out real quickly. And then we are going to rub this on to our fabric here. So all these other rub-ons, I'm going to make sure that they are far away so I don't start rubbing on those on accident. I'm going to move my fabric over here so you guys can see. You're just going to take off the backing. You don't want to touch the image part. So you just want to hold it towards the edge so you don't get like the oils from your fingers. Place that where you want it. Kind of just smoosh it down. Move this side so that way it's flat on my table. Now, it does come with that little spatula thing. You can use that, but I just found it easier to use the back of my scissors. Now, I'm sorry if I start shaking you guys. I'm going to try to be gentle to not shake the camera too much. And you just want to make sure that you go over every little portion. Now, see, this one has a lot of little fine details in the flowers. So you just want to make sure that you really give it a good little press, a good little rub. Hopefully I'm putting enough force because, like I said, I'm trying not to shake the entire table. And just ever so slightly lift a little bit and see, did your image come off of the plastic or is it still stuck? So this one is still a little bit stuck. So I'm going to pause and just rub really hard. Okay, so I just gave it a good little rub. And I can see that on the edge right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. But on the edge, it doesn't look as dark as right here. So you see right here, it's very dark. And over here, it's a little bit lighter. So that tells me that that part is already done and has 100% detached from the plastic. So I'm assuming that the rest of it is good. So I'm just going to lightly start pulling back. And if I do see that it has not stuck to my fabric, I'll just go ahead and put it back down and re-rub it. But everything so far seems to be okay. So we're just going to keep slowly pulling it away, because like I said, if it has not detached from the plastic, you can lay that back down and rub it again. See right here, it's not done in that little spot. So this little petal right there, I was able to see that it did not easily peel off. There we go. So there we go. So now we've taken their rub-on, transferred it over to fabric. And then what I like to do is I was cutting them out. Let's see. So I just give it a little bit of space and just give it a little cut. Now you can do, you know, a couple of different things with these. You can leave this as is and just go ahead and sew it straight to a paper or a little insert that you want to do on your junk journal, or, you know, you can even take this and put it down to a tag. But I got the cotton because I like fraying the edges. So I'm just going to go ahead and just start pulling at the edges, pulling that off, and just make it all kind of, you know, like rugged looking, like if it's falling apart. Because that's just the style and the look that I like. But, you know, you could do whatever style you like. And then once you get a couple loose, it's just really easy to just go ahead and pull them apart. So there we go. You see it's got, you know, like a little like tattered edges around. I really, really like that. You can always take a couple little bling and add it on here as well. Or if you have some tiny little diamond dots, you can always add those to the center of the flower and make it just pop a little bit more. So that's our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful and beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.